Navigating life's journey. Understanding, to my guiding star. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and poetic expression in the English language, to my guiding star. This phrase is rich in imagery and emotion, often used to convey deep appreciation and guidance. Let's explore what makes it so special and how you can use it in your own conversations and writings. Stay with us to illuminate this expression's meaning and its significance in English communication. To my guiding star is a metaphorical expression that combines navigation and celestial imagery to convey a message of guidance, inspiration, and gratitude. The guiding star, historically, has been a symbol of navigation, helping sailors find their way across the oceans before the advent of modern technology. By referring to someone as a guiding star, you are comparing their role in your life to that of a star that provides direction, hope, and support through life's journey. This phrase is often used in dedications, acknowledgments, or when expressing gratitude to someone who has had a profound impact on your life. It can be used in both written and spoken language, from personal letters and messages to speeches and literary works. When you say, "To my guiding star," you are not only thanking the person but also acknowledging their significant influence and support in your life. In a dedication of a book, "To my guiding star, who has always believed in me even when I couldn't." In a thank you speech, "I stand here today because of many people, but especially my guiding star, who navigated me through the toughest times." In personal correspondence, "As I reflect on my journey, I realize you've been my guiding star, lighting the path with your wisdom and kindness." Using the phrase, "to my guiding star," carries a deep emotional weight and cultural significance. It reflects a universal human need for guidance and support, transcending cultural boundaries. This expression can touch hearts and forge a stronger emotional connection, making it a powerful tool in storytelling, motivational speeches, and personal expressions of gratitude. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of "To my guiding star." We hope this video has shed light on the beauty and depth of this expression, enriching your understanding of the English language and its poetic capabilities. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with others on a profound level. Until next time, keep looking for your guiding star in the vast skies of language and life. Farewell, and happy learning!